Welcome to Delft Stack. I will show you how to fix touch sensitivity on your Android phone using a simple method. If your screen feels slow, not responding properly, or missing touches, this quick fix can help improve your experience. Before we go into the settings, keep in mind that every Android brand has a different layout. The names and placement of features may vary depending on your phone, so you may need to find similar options on your device. Now, open up your Settings app. Scroll down until you find the Display option and tap on it. Once you are inside Display, scroll down again until you see an option called Touch Sensitivity. Tap on it, and you will see a setting that says it increases the touch sensitivity of the screen, especially useful if you are using a screen protector. You can turn this option on to improve responsiveness. If it is already turned on and you are still facing issues, try turning it off and then back on again. This simple adjustment can often fix delayed or unresponsive touch problems. After making the change, test your screen to see if the performance has improved. Thanks for watching.